Okay, so you clicked on this because you're tired of hearing just wait 3-5 years for your fruit trees to produce, right? You want fruit now, not when your kids graduate high school. You've seen those articles about planting apple trees and peach trees, and then they casually mention you won't see fruit until 2030. Meanwhile, you'd like to actually taste something you grew before you forget why you started gardening in the first place. Here's the good news: there are fruits that produce in their first year. Yeah. First year. Some produce in just weeks or months from planting. No 5-year waiting period, no wondering if the tree will even survive that long. No planning your life around when a plant might eventually decide to make fruit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 9 fruits to plant for quick harvests and how to get fruit on your table this season, not half a decade from now. And stick around for number 7, because that one produces fruit in literally 60 days from planting a cutting. 2 months. That's faster than most vegetables. Let's get into it. Fruit 1, strawberries. Fruit in 4-6 weeks. First up, strawberries. And if you plant the right varieties at the right time, you can be eating strawberries within a month to 6 weeks. That's not a typo, actual fruit in about a month. Here's how it works. If you buy established strawberry plants in spring, not bare root, but actual growing plants in pots, and they're June-bearing varieties that are already setting buds, you can harvest fruit within weeks of planting. Even better, ever-bearing or day-neutral varieties produce continuously from spring through fall. Plant them early in the season, and you'll get fruit within 4-6 weeks, then keep harvesting all season long. Strawberries are incredibly productive for their size. One plant produces dozens of berries over the season. Plant a small bed of 20-30 plants, and you'll have fresh strawberries for months. They're easy to grow in garden beds or containers. Need full sun and consistent moisture. Mulch around plants to keep fruit clean and soil moist. Feed every few weeks with balanced fertilizer. The runners that strawberries send out create new plants, so your strawberry patch expands over time. You plant once and have strawberries for years, with production increasing as plants multiply. For fastest fruit, buy established potted plants in spring rather than bare root crowns. You're paying slightly more but getting fruit months sooner. Fruit 2, raspberries. Harvest the first summer. Raspberries from bare root canes planted in spring will often produce a small crop that same summer, especially if you choose primicane varieties that fruit on first-year canes. Traditional floricane raspberries fruit on second-year canes, so you wait a full year. But primicane varieties like Heritage or Autumn Blisses produce fruit on new canes in their first season. Plant in spring, harvest by late summer or fall. Even 1-year-old potted raspberry plants will produce fruit their first season in your garden. They're more expensive than bare root canes, but you get immediate production. Raspberries are incredibly productive once established. A small patch of 6-10 plants produces quarts of berries. They spread by underground runners, so your patch expands naturally each year. Plant in full sun in well-draining soil enriched with compost. Water consistently, especially during fruiting. Mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Raspberries need support. A simple trellis or wire system keeps canes upright and makes harvesting easier. But even without support, they'll produce fruit, just messier to manage. For fastest harvest, buy 1-2-year-old potted primicane raspberry plants in spring. You'll harvest fruit by fall and have established plants producing heavily the following year. Fruit 3, blueberries. Small harvest year 1. Blueberries typically take 2-3 years to produce significant harvests, but here's the trick: if you buy larger 2-3-year-old potted plants instead of young bare root plants, they'll produce a small crop their first season in your garden. These older plants cost more upfront, but you're essentially buying the 2-3 years of waiting time. You plant them and get fruit that same summer instead of waiting years. The first-year harvest won't be massive, maybe a pint or 2 per plant, but you get to taste the fruit, confirm the variety is what you want, and the plants will produce much more heavily in subsequent years. Blueberries need acidic soil with pH around 4.5-5.5. Amend soil with sulfur or peat moss if needed, or grow in containers with acidic potting mix designed for blueberries and azaleas. Plant at least 2 different varieties for cross-pollination and better fruit set. This increases yield significantly compared to single plants. Full sun and consistent moisture are key. Blueberries have shallow roots, so mulch heavily and don't let them dry out during fruiting. For fastest fruit, invest in 2-3-year-old potted plants of early season varieties. You'll harvest fruit the first summer and have established bushes producing quarts of berries within 2-3 years. Fruit for figs. Fruit in 1-2 years. Figs are surprisingly fast producers. A small potted fig tree planted in spring will often produce a few figs by fall of that same year, especially if it's already 2-3 years old when you buy it. Even figs grown from cuttings can produce within 1-2 years under good conditions. They're much faster than most fruit trees that take 3-5+ years minimum. The key is choosing the right varieties. Chicago Hardy and Brown Turkey are reliable, fast-producing varieties that fruit on new wood, meaning even young plants produce. Figs thrive in warm climates, but can be grown in containers in colder areas and brought indoors for winter. Container growing actually encourages fruiting by restricting root growth. They need full sun and well-draining soil. Water regularly when fruiting, but allow soil to dry between waterings otherwise. Don't overwater or fruit production decreases. Figs don't need much fertilizing. Too much nitrogen produces leaves instead of fruit. Light feeding in spring is sufficient. For fastest harvest, buy a 2-3-year-old potted fig tree of a fast-producing variety. Plant in spring, and you'll likely get a few figs by fall, with full production starting the following year. Fruit 5 grapes. Small crop in year 2. Grapes take patience. Most varieties produce a small crop in year 2 and full production by year 3. But that's still much faster than apples or pears taking 5-7 years. The trick with grapes is buying older, well-established vines instead of small, 1-year-old plants. A 2-year-old potted grapevine will produce fruit its first season in your garden. Grapes are incredibly productive once established. A single mature vine produces 20-30 pounds of grapes annually. A few vines provide all the fresh grapes, juice, jelly, and wine you could want. They need full sun and good air circulation. Plant along fences, arbors, or trellises where vines can climb and spread. Proper support is essential. Grapes need well-draining soil and don't like wet feet. Water regularly when establishing, but reduce watering as they mature. This concentrates sugars and improves flavor. Pruning is important for grape production. Seems intimidating, but it's actually straightforward. You're removing old wood and encouraging new fruiting canes. Plenty of tutorials exist for pruning different grape varieties. For fastest harvest, buy 2-3-year-old potted grapevines in spring. You'll get a small crop that first fall in full production by the 2nd or 3rd year. Fruit 6 melons, 70-90 days from seed. Melons are fast plant seeds in late spring and harvest fruit by mid to late summer. We're talking 70-90 days from seed to ripe fruit, depending on variety. Cantaloupes, honeydew, watermelons all grow from seed to harvest in one season. That's incredibly fast for fruit production. Melons need warm soil to germinate, so wait until soil is consistently 70°F or warmer. They also need full sun, consistent water, and space to spread. Plant in rich soil amended with compost. Melons are heavy feeders, so fertilize regularly during the growing season. Reduce watering as fruits ripen to concentrate sugars and improve flavor. Each plant produces multiple fruits. One cantaloupe plant might produce 4-6 melons. One watermelon plant might produce 2-4 large fruits or more smaller ones depending on variety. Harvesting at the right time is key. Cantaloupes slip easily from the vine when ripe. Watermelons require checking the tendril nearest the fruit. When it's dried and brown, the melon is ripe. For fastest harvest, choose short-season varieties, 70-80 day varieties instead of 90-100 day types. Start seeds indoors 3-4 weeks before last frost for even earlier harvests. Fruit 7 passion fruit, 60-90 days from cutting. Here's the Speed Champion passion fruit vines grown from cuttings can produce fruit in just 60-90 days, 2 to 3 months from planting a cutting to harvesting fruit. That's insane. Passion fruit is a vigorous tropical vine that grows incredibly fast under the right conditions. In warm climates, it's almost too productive, growing aggressively and fruiting heavily. The vines produce stunning flowers that develop into egg-sized fruits filled with aromatic, flavorful pulp. The taste is tropical, tangy, and intensely perfumed, unique and delicious. In tropical or subtropical climates, plant directly in the ground. In cooler areas, grow in containers and bring indoors during cold months. They're heavy feeders and need regular fertilizing during the growing season. Water consistently, they don't like drying out completely, but also don't tolerate waterlogged soil. For fastest production, start with rooted cuttings rather than seeds. Seeds can take 6-12 months to produce, while cuttings fruit within weeks to a few months. If you live in a warm climate, passion fruit is possibly the fastest fruit you can grow. If you're in a cooler area, it's still worth growing in containers for that incredibly fast harvest time. Fruit 8 blackberries. Harvest year 1 or 2. Blackberries from bare root canes might produce a light crop their first year, especially primicane varieties. But buying established potted plants almost guarantees fruit the first season. Primicane blackberries like Primark Freedom fruit on first-year canes, so you get production immediately. Floricane varieties require 2 years, but second-year production is heavy. Blackberries are ridiculously productive. A small patch produces gallons of berries each summer. They spread aggressively by underground runners, so your patch expands naturally, sometimes too enthusiastically. Plant in full sun in well-draining soil. Water regularly, especially during fruiting. Mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Blackberries have thorns on many varieties, making harvest prickly. Thornless varieties exist and make harvesting much more pleasant, though some say thorny varieties taste better. Support with trellises or stakes. The canes grow long and benefit from being tied up for easier management and harvest. For fastest fruit, buy 1-2-year-old potted primicane blackberries in spring. You'll harvest berries by late summer or fall and have established plants producing heavily the following year. Fruit 9 currants, light harvest year 2. Currants produce a small crop their second year and full production by year 3. That's faster than most fruit bushes, making them excellent for impatient gardeners. Red, white, and black currants all follow similar timelines. Buying 2-year-old plants means potential fruit the first season in your garden. Currants are incredibly productive once established. The berries hang in clusters called strigs, and a mature bush produces quarts of fruit each summer. They prefer cooler climates and actually struggle in hot southern regions. They're perfect for northern gardeners where many fruits don't thrive. Plant in full sun to part shade in well-draining soil. Water regularly and mulch to keep roots cool and moist. Feed lightly in spring. Currants make excellent jams, jellies, sauces, and juices. Fresh eating is an acquired taste. For some, they're quite tart, but wonderful when processed with sugar. For fastest harvest, buy 2-3-year-old potted currant bushes in spring. You'll likely get a small crop that first summer and good production by the second year. Maximizing fast harvests. Here's how to get the fastest possible harvests from these fruits. First, buy older, established plants instead of young, bare root or small seedlings. You pay more upfront but save months or years of waiting. Second, plant at the optimal time for your climate. Spring planting gives plants maximum growing time before winter. Third, provide ideal conditions: full sun, good soil, consistent water. Plants stressed by poor conditions take longer to produce. Fourth, fertilize appropriately. Fruiting plants need nutrients, but too much nitrogen produces leaves instead of fruit. Fifth, choose fast-producing varieties specifically. Not all varieties within a fruit type produce at the same speed. You don't need to wait 5 years to harvest homegrown fruit. These 9 options prove you can be eating fresh, homegrown fruit within weeks to months of planting, not years. Start with 1 or 2 from this list based on your climate and what you like eating. Plant this spring and you'll harvest fruit this summer or fall instead of planning your life around when trees might eventually produce. Fast harvests mean immediate satisfaction, which keeps you motivated to keep gardening and expanding your food production. Which fast fruit are you planting first? Strawberries for that 4-6 week harvest? Passion fruit for the insane 60-day timeline? Let me know in the comments. Here's to quick harvests and no more waiting.